Long ago, in a land where magic danced with the whispering winds, there lay a forest, full of mystical splendor. But the forest was divided by an ancient feud between the benevolent King of Light and the mysterious Queen of Shadows. The once unified home of enchanted creatures had split into two, a side bathed in eternal light and another cloaked in shadows. In a warm little cottage at the edge of this remarkable forest, there lived a young boy named Malik. He was a gentle soul, curious and kind-hearted, the son of a humble woodcutter. His days passed with joy as he helped his father, always feeling there was more to this forest than met the eye. One evening, Malik heard a soft, haunting voice calling him from the shadowy depths. Curiosity sparked within him as though the very trees beckoned. Despite his father's warnings, Malik felt compelled to uncover the truth. With his heart pounding, Malik crossed the forbidden border into the shadowy side of the forest. There, he stumbled upon strange glowing plants flickering between light and dark, as if symbolizing the forest's inner struggle. He met a wise talking crow named Sage, who warned him of the Queen of Shadows and spoke of the legendary gem, the Spirit's Light, said to possess the power to restore balance to the forest. But the Queen sought control of the gem, desiring to shroud the forest in eternal darkness. Malik soon found himself at a crossroads, facing two paths, a brightly lit but deceiving one, and a dark, treacherous trail. Trusting his instincts, he took the formidable dark path. Along this journey, he befriended a mysterious creature named Shadow, a being of both light and dark, who promised to guide Malik through the perils ahead. As they ventured deeper, Malik faced an ambush by shadow creatures but cleverly used kindness to outwit them, earning their reluctant respect. His adventure led him to an ancient pendant marked with mysterious symbols, which Sage explained was the key to unlocking the gem's power. The enchantment grew as Malik visited the City of Light, meeting the benevolent King of Light. Though wary of Shadow, the king listened to Malik's plea for unity. Despite prejudice and doubt from the creatures of light, Malik stood firm, believing that unity alone would restore the forest. Sage revealed a magical vision of the forest's history, showing that the king and queen had once been allies, divided by a forgotten quarrel. Temptation came when the Queen of Shadows offered Malik power and safety in exchange for the pendant, claiming to protect her shadowy realm. But Malik, true to his heart, decided to pursue balance over power. He deciphered an inscription revealing the gem's hiding place in the heart of the forest, a feared and hallowed ground. Shadow's sacrifice to save Malik from a deadly trap earned Malik's trust completely, proving their bond was strong. In a hidden grove, Malik finally found the gem, and its radiant light revealed the hidden beauty of the forest and the sorrow of its division. Malik faced the queen once more, urging her to gaze into the gem. It showed her true self, a reflection of her kind nature before the feud. Shadow then revealed his true form as a guardian spirit sent to aid Malik. With courage burning bright, Malik assembled the king and queen for a crucial meeting. He pleaded with them to see the truth, to honor the forest's legacy. As the gem shone, it tested the rulers' hearts, uncovering their true intentions. A burst of unified light and shadow healed the forest, blending them into a harmonious glow. At that moment, the queen realized her folly and regret washed over her like a gentle rain. A celebration thrived within the forest, uniting creatures from both realms in a feast of joy and gratitude. Malik shared his journey's wisdom, instilling empathy and teamwork among the creatures. Upon returning home, Malik's father welcomed his brave son, his heart swelling with pride for the peace Malik had brought. As the days passed, the forest thrived in unity, with a bridge connecting both sides as a living symbol of harmony. Malik's story became a cherished legend, teaching future generations that understanding and love can overcome even the deepest divides. The forest, now a testament to the unity of light and shadow, lived in peace and beauty. And the secret of the luminous forest was forever intertwined with the heart of a brave young boy. Malik's courage, compassion, and conviction led to a new beginning. The moral of the story lingered in every heart. True strength lies in unity, compassion, and the courage to bridge differences for the greater good.